Hi guys, in today's Super Gem, I want to pick up a college which is exact opposite of the maximum colleges in India. So we have a college here, highest CTC 29 lakhs, average of the top 25% of the batch is 23 lakhs, 29, 23. Average CTC is 18, median 17 and the lowest 9.55. बहुत कम कॉलेज होते हैं यार जो लोएस्ट दिखाते हैं. तो एक तो पक्का है तो गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज होगा तभी लोएस्ट दिखा रहा है, नहीं तो नॉर्मली प्राइवेट कॉलेज डोंट शो दैट. एंड विद द फीस ऑफ 8 lakh rupees for 2 years with average salary of 18 lakhs. This is, trust me, a super gem. Yeah. So why I'm saying opposite, because average जो इंडिया में कॉलेजेस चल रहे हैं आजकल, their fees is 18 lakhs and average package is 8 lakhs. This is the average going on. Trust me, I can name 10 colleges. All the band D colleges are in that range. Yeah, ctking.com/top. I uploaded the list of the bands. तो वो band में जाके you can find out the bands of colleges. Yeah, which college I'm talking about. So average salary is 8 lakhs. Here 18 lakh का package and most of the people are not focused on them. See, problem क्या है, इन सब colleges का paper में ad आता है. That people are impressed with that कि अरे वाह 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 वाह. And this is a typical government college, so they don't market that much. इसका नाम है विनोद गुप्ता. अभी किसी को याद आया? ये उसकी फोटो है. फोटो देख के किसी को याद आया कुछ? एनी गेस विच कॉलेज आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट? विनोद गुप्ता क्या नाम होता है यार? ऐसे नाम का कॉलेज कौन? मैंने तो कभी नाम ही नहीं देखा इसका. एनी गेस? दिस इज योर हिंट नंबर 2. ठीक है, आपको बिल्डिंग देख के शायद आइडिया. एवरी इंजीनियर का ये बिल्डिंग उसने इंजीनियरिंग के टाइम पे देखा होगा. Yeah, one of the most beautiful admin departments in the country. So any guess? We are talking about IIT Kharagpur. So IIT Kharagpur, which is obviously world famous for engineering, but have a MBA department as well. Yeah, which we can target. So domain-wise placement, IT 11%, banking 12%. Analytics 15, sales and marketing 17, operation 19, and consulting 26% of the batch. So those who think nahi yaar, IT is only about engineers, IT is only about operations. So look at here yaar, operation mein IT 11% and analytics 50. Analytics is not common for everyone. Operation 19%. So only 30% of the batch have got into the core companies, which is dominated by engineers. Remaining every industry is open for everyone. Yep, I'm not saying non-engineer can't do operations. They can do, but this is predominantly engineers department, ITS and operations. But here, apart from this 30%, 70% of people have got normal jobs. So those who think IIT will be only for engineers, like IIT is only for the engineering job, ऐसा नहीं है. You can get a job everywhere. So batch size, again, that's the best part of the college. Batch size is only 126. So the colleges I'm talking about, which have a fees of 18 lakh and average salary of 8 lakhs, have a batch size of 500. Yeah, any guess which college I'm talking about? Very good college in Bombay I'm talking about. Oops, sorry, नाम मेरे को बताना नहीं था. तुम लोग को नाम नहीं मालूम है, तुम लोग guess करो कौन सा नाम है. 500 लोग का intake. Here 126 का intake. तो टेंशन ही नहीं है जॉब का. Total 125 people set for placement. एक आदमी का पेट खराब हो गया, बीमार हो गया, जो भी हो गया. Pre-placement opportunity, 41 people got. 1/3 of the batch got a PPO already. And this is the best part. Now average experience 0 to 11 month 8%. Very less people who are fresher. 41% batch have got 12 to 24 months of work ex. 39% 24 to 36 and 12% more than 36 months of work ex. Why this percentage is less? It can be of two reasons. One, their admission process is so strong that they have very high weightage for the work ex. That could be one reason. But second reason, which I think is more important reason, is so suppose you're getting IIT Kharagpur without any work ex in the first attempt. Lot of people might not take it and repeat again because their target is to get into the main IIT or main IIM. That could be one of the reason as well. Yeah, so go to the link ctking.com/IIT Kharagpur, IIT KGP, ctking.com/IIT KGP. I've given the link in the description box. You can check out the placements and all the organizations which are coming there. So you should check out this link because this link will help you understand which all companies are coming to almost every campus. So how you feel about this college, please do tell in the comment box. Yeah. So Vijay Som is the college today. I'm sorry, I was just joking on this. ऐसा नाम कौन रखता है? Obviously, with due respect to the college, I was just kidding, please. Yep. So one more thing I want to mention. A lot of people have told me why you look at the placement only. That's not the way to look at a JM. You should look at the faculty as well. या फैकल्टी को देखो, फैकल्टी जिस कॉलेज में अच्छा है तो भैया इससे अच्छा आप लवली में आ जाओ। फिर लवली प्रोफेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी पंजाब का टॉप कॉलेज, उधर गोरी आती है मैडम, एक मैडम गोरी भी है, जैसा गोरी मतलब अंग्रेज आर इज गोइंग टू कम एंड टीच यू, तो जाओ ना मैडम के पास स्टडी करने के लिए। तो कमिंग टू द पॉइंट, ब्रांड नेम इज इंपॉर्टेंट यार। जो आदमी आपको पैकेज दे रहा है वो प्रोफाइल भी देगा, ऑल दिस थिंग कम टुगेदर। Yeah. So if suppose the company is giving you 18 lakh ka package, so company obviously will give you a good profile. Yeah. For example, this average is 23 lakhs for the top 25% batch. So these people will get a good profile. So obviously faculty are equally good. Yeah, it's IIT Kharagpur end of the day. So faculty have to be good. Colleges which have a maintained average salary of 20 lakh, please understand the complete infrastructure about the college, right from the placements to the faculty to everything to admin, have to be good. That's why the college is able to maintain an average package of 20 lakhs. HR wale are not dumb that they'll go to every college and offer a 20 lakh package average. Yeah. So my benchmark is always the average salary. Yep. So with 8 lakh ka fees and 18 lakh ka average salary, this college is a super gem. Fees is total 9 lakhs, 9 lakhs, but that includes your 9.2 lakhs, but that includes your 1 lakh rupees of your international immersion program, that they will give you an international kind of a student exchange program or kind of thing. So uska if you remove 1 lakh, and that's optional, you may or may not go for that, it's your wish. So if you remove 1 lakh, the tuition fees is 8 lakhs. Yep. So how you feel about the college? Do comment. They are accepting CAT ka score.